Welcome. Today we're going to upgrade your working Domino server from either version 9 or version 10 to HCL version 11 of Domino. Note that this upgrade is only on the Microsoft Windows server only. Watch for our future videos for upgrading Domino on a Linux machine. To perform the upgrade, we make three assumptions. The first is that you have HCL Domino version 11 software for Windows. The second, you have access to Microsoft Windows Server so you can install software. And thirdly, you've created a reliable backup. Today we're going to upgrade our Domino 10 server to version 11 of HCL Domino. This is a straightforward process. We already brought over our code and placed it on the desktop. So let's start the upgrade. First, stop the existing Domino server. The easiest way is to go to our services, find the IBM Domino server, and select Stop. The reason we do this is to prevent locks on the DLL during the installation process. Depending upon the number of tasks you have running, this could be quick or it could take several minutes. When the services have stopped, it'll come back to your control. Close this window so we can start our upgrade. Double-click your software. Select Yes. Where would you like the files to be extracted? We can let them go to the temporary location. I typically like to put them someplace where I can clean them up later. You notice it's extracting all the files. It even launched the installer. If you're running HCL Domino version 11 in your environment, even if it's just a test system, let me know in the comments below. There is the Domino directory that I typed in, and these are all the files that are being extracted. What makes this convenient is if you have more than one server to upgrade, we can come back here, double-click the install to start the installation process, rather than waiting to extract the files on every server. Click Next. Check out your license. Read everything about it to make sure you stay in compliance. Accept the agreement. Click Next. This field will typically point to the existing Domino server. If it doesn't, make a change so it does. If you have partitioned servers on your machine, make sure this checkbox has been checked. Click Next. This way, all the template code gets changed at once. This will be your data directory. If you have multiple partitions, there will be more than one field. Click Next. If you're only using Domino for applications, then select the Domino utility server. If you're using Domino for mail, select the Domino messaging server. If you have both mail and applications, you typically select the Domino enterprise server. There is also the customized enterprise server where you can control which features are activated on the server. Make sure you select the server you are licensed for. Click Next. This gives you a chance to check and make sure that everything selected is what you want to install on your server. You'll notice a couple of things. While it kept the old configuration, in this case IBM Domino, you'll notice HCL has started putting its brand on the Domino server. Click Install. The installer takes a moment to read the configuration. If you have any ideas for future videos, please let me know in the comments below. Then the installer starts. The HCL Domino install removes the old files while adding the new files to the system. This install will upgrade both version 9 and version 10 of Domino. To make sure this video is a little more enjoyable, I will speed things up. Note, in real life, the process took a little longer. The install is complete. Click Done. During the installation of software, there may be file locks. Please reboot at this time to complete any file installation. I will reboot my Domino server. The reboot is complete. We can start the Domino console. Always come back to the Domino server and make sure it came up automatically. You will notice that this process stopped on the upgrading the design. This is not a problem. It is merely asking if you want to upgrade the design of your address book. For most systems, you want to go ahead and perform the upgrade. In rare instances, if you have an old, quicker, or same-time server that needs the earlier design of the address book, don't upgrade at this time. If you do upgrade and have an old server, it may prevent the server from starting up. Click Yes. The Domino server is now doing its thing. Do a show server. You'll notice that we're at release 11 of HCL Domino. Everything is good. As the server runs, it will update other processes required for version 11. This includes, but is not limited to, admin P, events, tasks, just to name a few. I hope you enjoyed the process to upgrade your Domino server to HCL Domino version 11.